Now, the current claim by these DNA technicians is this, that the Dravid male only came from Neolithic Iran to India, then mixed with Andaman Islanders who lived in India then, and then later somebody came from this steppe, Central Asia, Ukraine, bringing the language and mixed with this to produce the Aryan. And this is their picture. And the same group of authors, Vagish Narsingham and Dr. Rai and Dr. Shinde, there is a list of 100 authors. In one publication, one becomes the first, in another, the another becomes the first. And David Reach is present in all of them. After having so much, I will come to the writings of everyone. I will cut and paste from their, from their book to make the things clear. Now I will talk about. Sorry, in this hodgepodge, I forgot to tell you about one thing which is relevant here. Is my book In Quest of the Dates of the Vedas. In this book, actually, I applied my own technique. That is, suppose there is a set of lion, no cotton but wool, no wheat but barley, and things like that in Rig Veda. We need to find in Indian archaeology and carbon dates that point where exactly this situation prevailed. And similarly, the plants, suppose in Atharva Veda, River Saraswati has been always mentioned as a goddess, and in this Rig Veda, it is a river primarily and revered as a goddess. So that means by the time of Atharva Veda, it had dried and it had become a goddess living in the heaven. Similarly, about Vetas, that is willow, Atharva Veda clearly says that those who have seen this tree are great people. It is divine and it lives in the Himalayas upstream. Nobody has seen it. But the Rig Veda says, see there, the bird is sitting in the willow tree. So, this difference of time, I have used this type of method and radiocarbon dated the willow tree ends in India at 3000 BC as said by Constantine. By this method, I have dated Rig Veda with Mehergad, exact similarity of everything, plants, animals in Rig Veda, they exactly match in Mehergad. Then Yajur Veda period matches extended Indus Valley civilization, and Atharva Veda is slightly after that.